Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. Gonna do a little shopping today. Eventually we're gonna make it to Harbor Freight to do the early Black Friday. I got some stuff to pick up that was in the ad that I think you guys will enjoy seeing. First off, we're going to Sears. Oh, there's the sign for it. Now the A is completely different. Oh, Sears, you decrepit old bastard. So I got the coupon for Sears that was spend 15, get 15 back. And I have a couple of things that I need to pick up. So let's go inside and see if we can find anything 15 off 15. I actually have two different coupons to use. One is spend 15, get 15 back. The other one is spend 25, get 10 off. And I got these fuel line disconnection set, whatever, you know. It's $10.99 here, but it's $3.80 online, so I'm going to see if they can price match that first off. And then two things that I'm looking at that I really want, and I think I'm going down the wrong aisle, is I like these double jointed needle nose, and I need some long reach needle nose. They're not really on sale, $29.99, they're normally $31.99, but I really want those, I kind of like them. The other thing is the Gearwrench Flex Ratcheting wrenches are on sale for $29.99. So, honestly, maybe I'll do two separate transactions if they let me and do both. But if I get the gear wrenches, that's 50 bucks because I'd have to get them both unless I just get one set and then see if the others go on sale later. Decisions. Very successful, and all of this only cost me 80 cents out of pocket, and I actually got a little bit screwed on it. So I had a bunch of points, I had two coupons. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while and you've been watching my Sears video I did a month or so ago, I told you that all the points I have are from offers that they do where it's like spend 50, get 50 back, spend 75, get 75 back, spend 100, get 100 back. So what I do is I spend the $100 and then I break apart like the mechanic sets, sell all the pieces on eBay, and every one of them so far I've made a profit on. So it's not even that I broke even, I've made money on that. So all the points that I have in my account are truly 100% free. I didn't pay anything for it. Okay, and then I had two coupons today. I do have a copy of the post on how you get the coupons on my website. If I remember, I'll link down below, but otherwise go to my website, struggleville.net. You'll find the post, okay? So, using points, this was an in-store pickup from something I ordered online. The 5.5-inch needle nose, or $2.05. The rolling wedge bar, another in-store pickup that I purchased online, and that was $4. They gave me the online price for the fuel line disconnect. I want to say disconnection, not disconnect. Anyways, I did that before too. $3.80 because they price matched online. These I didn't get a great deal on, but I have to use up my points. Some of my points were expiring on December 1st, so I had to get them used up. They're normally $31.99. They're on sale for $29.99, but I used the spend 25, get $10 off, so that took it down to $19.99, and then the rest of it was used on points. Then we have both the metric and the standard SAE version of the ratcheting flex heads from Gearwrench. They were on sale for $29.99, which we've actually seen them a little bit cheaper recently, so it wasn't the best deal, but again, I'm using up points here. So I had the spend 15, get $15 back in points, so that brought the $60, was it 24 or 29? I think it was 20. Brought the $60 down to 50, and then I used points from earlier purchases on that to make it free, and I still have $16 in points. The reason it ended up costing me 80 cents is because I had a $10 gift card from a previous purchase that they had messed up, and then they gave me a gift card for messing up. Hey, that's why you're going out of business. Quit messing up. You don't have to give people free money as often. But, so we had to do the transaction twice, because the first time I gave the guy, or I did the gift card, and then I told him, okay, I want to do the balance in points. And he said, you can't do it that way. You have to use the points first and then the gift card second. But it's not just a straight deduction of $10 for the gift card, because when you pay with points, you don't pay tax. So the total ends up being slightly different. I wasn't about to do the math on it, so I just told him, well, just use $40 in points, then we'll do the $10 gift card, and I ended up owing 80 cents. But I still have $16 in points to use up. And he said that it didn't list any expiration date on the points, so they're probably good for a while. I don't know, I'll have to get home and actually look for myself, because you can't trust retail employees. They are usually shit. Although this guy was very nice. I have to say, this guy, an older gentleman, and usually the older guys are the better ones. It's the young 20-year-olds that are dumb bastards. Oh, millennials. Alright guys, let's go to Harbor Freight, do some more shopping. Here we are, the old Harbor Freight. Gonna do a little early Black Friday shopping. Got some stuff to pick up. It's not bullshit, not waste any time. Get in the damn store, stop talking. Dumbass. As soon as we walk in the door, we got the bins here with all the sale stuff. And I'm actually gonna pick this guy up. I saw it online and I was thinking about it. And I decided against it. And then I walk in, it's the first thing I see. It's like an omen. Hey, look at those 5 drawer mechanic cards sitting right there. I've been told they're not stocking them anymore. All you can do is buy them and have them shipped to the store and pick it up later. Well, there's 2 of them sitting right goddamn there. Can't trust everything you hear on the internet. Look at that. There's a 3rd one. There's a 3rd one. The hell? And we got Brad's Flamer helmet, $49.99. I just posted a deal earlier today on my website to get a Tack Life welding helmet, and I think it was $31 with the promo code. Just saying, might want to check it out. Save yourself some bucks. We're all about saving bucks around here. Look at this sandpaper. $2.99, you get 4 pieces. $2.99, you get 4 pieces. Here, hey, we got a sale going on there. $1.99, but you're still only getting 4 pieces. Look at that. I posted a deal. I think it was $6.99 or maybe it was $8. Something really cheap, and you got 80 pieces. 80 pieces of sandpaper, hook and loop. You're welcome. I'll put a link down below. Look at this. A lynch pin. Lynch pin? Sounds kind of racist to me. Why not? Everything else is. Alright, another purchase we got here. We're getting the half-inch drive deep well impacts. I'm getting the metrics. I have a SAE set already, not Harbor Freight, different brand, but I'm lacking a little bit in metric sockets, so we're getting the 13 piece of that for $17.99 with a coupon from my website, struggleville.net. And I already got my free item, one of my favorites. I have about 10 of them now, the magnetic toolbar. It's fantastic, it's wonderful. Look at the new colors. Look at the new colors. They got new colors. The green one's not here. Hey, we got some black tool cards there. There's some more down there. Even though I'm not like a yellow guy, the yellow one looks kind of sharp. They all look kind of sharp, really. Buy 2 of them and change out the drawers. If they had a white one, you could have a red, white, and blue tool cart. That'd be kind of badass. Now we're also going to pick up, I think it's $7.99. We'll get the 20% off coupon. I don't think they have coupons on this. If they do, it's not very often because I don't see it. But the fluid line clamp set. So you get 4 little clamps. And I got those clamp pliers that I just bought. But I thought if you got to do more than one at a time, I'll clamp it with the pliers and then throw this thing on there. The only negative I could see of this is it'll take a second to thread that down and to tighten it up. Once it's there, I think it'll work. I mean, it's not a huge deal, but it's another option. Yeah, that's nice. It's not bad either. But we can't afford any of that. We don't make that kind of money. But what we are getting, if we just keep looping around, uh-oh, people. Avoid people. Are you ready? Here it is. Fine gentleman helped me load it up using the 1-ton lift cart they got, which that thing's amazing. Yukon 46-inch fits in the truck perfectly. Don't have to worry about things being sold out. Don't have to worry about crowds. And you can see this parking lot, not very full. It's a tiny parking lot. It's more people than normal though. Alright guys, that's it. I'm out of here. I gotta get home and unload this sucker. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time. One quick side note, guys. I had someone just a day or two ask me about the difference in those hydraulic carts, whether I thought it was better to get the 500 or the 1,000 pound. If you catch the 1,000 pound with a coupon, it's only about $20 or $30 more. So it's definitely worth holding out and waiting. It seems like it's every 2 months that they get those carts. But one thing we found out loading this, it didn't get high enough to get the Yukon into my truck. We still had to pick it up off of the cart. So depending, you know, what your plans are for the uses of it, that may be a problem for you. Just giving you a heads up. It was only a couple inches short, but I got the standard tires on this. It's the standard ride height for a ZR2. I don't know how that compares with most. Like, this is a mid-size truck, or you know, that's what they call it, a mid-size truck. So I don't know how the height of the tailgate is as compared to regular full-size trucks, but it did not get tall enough to get to the bed. Just letting you know. All right, thanks guys.